Hey children, as you can see, my house has been damaged pretty bad by the fire. I decided to build a new one. And this time it will be a cute logging hut. I will go into the forest with my big chainsaw now and cut the logs for it. Follow me. Alright, let's cut the trees for my new hut. Alright, now I have to find a way to transport those logs to my house. I know! Let's build a logging truck. At first we will assemble several segments. This one is the base frame. The next segment is the driver's cabin. It has to be protected very well since working in the woods can be dangerous. Then we assemble the load area. It will carry all the logs for my new hut. The last segment is a powerful crane. It will be mounted on the back of the truck and I can pick up the logs with it. In the last step, the driver's cabin, the load area and the crane are mounted onto the base frame. Finally done! What a beautiful truck! Let's go use it! I finally managed to bring those logs back to my place. Next time I will show you how I built my new home. In the meantime you can watch my other cartoons. See you next time, bye!